Okay, I've got a little project I want to show everybody that I've been working on. My name's Eli. This right here is my RFID Safe. Kind of got the idea off some guys off YouTube. I'm hopefully going to make this a kind of a post comment off of them. The one on the right you see over here, that's my buddies. They are kind of our work safes. So I went ahead and put on a fake electronic lock. It's, I think, an LA Guard is the name of the company. Have my wallet. I have an RFID chip or a card in my wallet, and then also I have my glasses. They're Oakley's. If you notice this side how there's nothing, and then this side how there's kind of a little bump there, what I've actually done is I've gotten these little ampules, the RFID ampules, and had those basically kind of just put in behind the I don't know what you call that, the ear guard. So then what you can do is, if you look here, I've got a little red LED. That's actually the RFID reader. So I can go ahead and present that to the RFID reader, and then it will actually allow me to unlock the safe. So we'll go ahead and lock the safe back up again. As you can see, it is locked. The red light is on. It is locked. I can't turn it at all. Now if I even present my wallet, since that card is authorized, it will go ahead and unlock the safe. And then as you can see inside, I've got some fun stuff, some chips, toilet paper, and I have the cover off of the box. So basically inside, once you open it up, what you've got here is you've got the old LA Guard. Basically the lock has like a solenoid inside there. The 9-volt I'll get to in a minute. That's a battery backup actually, and everything else is run off of a 12-volt power adapter. You can kind of see the line coming in here, and then it goes into this. For this video I've taken the cover off. Basically what I have is I have the 12 volts coming into a board that I've soldered up and made, and then I have parallaxes. This is all run off of parallax. I have a parallax RFID reader that actually I picked up like 2 of them at Radio Shack. I think one of them was like 15 bucks. They had it on sale because it was an open item. And then inside here what I've bought is, this is the Basic Stamp SX OEM board. Basically it's their cheap SX for original equipment manufacturers. So it's got the DB9 to log in and configure. And then what I have running is I have a transistor. It's a pretty sure NPN transistor. I could be wrong, it could be a PNP, but I'm pretty sure it's an NPN. And then I'm running a 1K ohm resistor. I'm not sure if everybody can see that or not. I think so. And then I'm running a 1K ohm resistor off of the pin for the transistor from the Basic Stamp. So after that it comes out and goes into the solenoid off of the lock, which then tells it to, once that reads a high, it unlocks. Basically I'm just using the stock code that the RFID reader come with. It's very basic, you know. I've only got 2 RFID cards programmed, and actually I'll get the one out of my wallet here, so sorry if the camera moves around a little bit, but like I said, I only have 2 cards programmed to this just for security purposes. There's the white card, and then the one in my glasses are the only 2 that are authorized. This one I just bought as an extra just to have to play with, and I figured I was paying for shipping, might as well. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Like I said, it is the basic code on the SX that the Parallax provides. What it does, once it presents a card that is an active card, it will unlock for 5 seconds, and then it will allow the door to be open. And then once it's done after that 5 seconds, you'll see here I'm unlocking it or locking it back. It's locked right now. And then what I can do is I can take this card, you can present it to the front side or the back side, and then all I'm doing on the other side is turning that knob, which then allows me to unlock everything. Then what I've done, I was kind of concerned, you know, if I had stuff in there and the power went out, you know, what am I going to do? So what I did is I have a commercial grade Meco key. It's kind of a lock but it is also a switch actually. So not only does it have to have a key, but then it's a switch, and then that's what I have running the 9-volt. So it actually bypasses the RFID stuff. So if I turn the key, it will actually pop open the solenoid. As soon as I let go of the key, it will actually lock back. So I'm gonna see, I'll set the camera down and see if I can do this and show you. Hopefully everybody's gonna be able to see. If not, let me actually bring it up here real quick. Basically, it is locked. If I turn the key, it will then unlock and allow me to open it. That's the battery backup that I have set up. So hopefully I got that on video. If not, I'll make sure I get it in there and cut it in. Other than that, that is my RFID safe.